When you hear the name French fries, the first thing that comes to mind is French fries, right? But the truth is, French fries aren't French at all. They were born in Belgium. In the 17th century, people in the Belgian Meuse Valley used to fry small fish. When the river froze and they couldn't find any fish, they cut the potatoes into sticks and fried them. And that's how French fries were born. To this day, Belgians are proud of them, eating them with more than 20 different sauces in their signature conical leaves. So next time, don't say French fries, say Belgian fries.